Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Neve 1073 plugin. This iconic emulation brings the rich, analog sound of the original hardware to your digital audio workstation. It's renowned for its ability to add warmth, punch, and clarity to various tracks. We'll cover its key sections and how to apply them effectively to enhance your mixes, making your sound more professional and vibrant. The preamp section is where the magic of analog saturation begins. By increasing the input gain, you're driving the virtual transformers, introducing rich harmonic content and a pleasing warmth. Be mindful of the sweet spot. Too much gain can lead to unwanted distortion. Always use the output trim to compensate for any level changes, ensuring your signal remains at a healthy level for subsequent processing. The equalizer section of the Neve 1073 is incredibly musical. The high shelf provides a beautiful, smooth lift to the upper frequencies, perfect for vocals or cymbals. The mid-range bands are broad and forgiving, ideal for shaping the character of guitars or snares. The low shelf adds a solid foundation to bass and kick drums. Use the high-pass filter to remove unwanted rumble, ensuring a clean and powerful mix. For optimal results, consider placing the Neve 1073 plugin early in your signal chain, often right after your microphone preamp or instrument input. Don't be afraid to experiment with subtle boosts and cuts. Even small adjustments can make a significant difference. It's fantastic on individual tracks like vocals or bass, but also shines on instrument buses, gluing elements together. Always trust your ears and make incremental changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.